Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili and garlic sauce. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 pound of fresh red chilies, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, a quarter cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Make sure your chilies are washed and dried thoroughly. This simple preparation ensures a delicious and authentic sauce. Now let's prepare the ingredients. Roughly chop your chilies and garlic. You don't need to be precise as they will be blended. Place the chopped chilies, garlic, vinegar, sugar, and salt into a food processor. Pulse the mixture until it forms a coarse paste. For a smoother sauce, blend for a longer duration but avoid overprocessing. Next, we'll cook our sauce to develop its rich flavor. Transfer the blended chili and garlic mixture into a saucepan. Heat it over medium heat, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Stir the sauce occasionally to prevent sticking. Continue to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the sauce thickens to your liking and the raw garlic taste mellows. Once your chili garlic sauce has reached the desired consistency, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. This is crucial before transferring it to a clean, airtight jar. Store your homemade sauce in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy this versatile sauce with your favorite dishes. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.